Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing another monster truck video, but today I'm doing it with Oliver. um, so we're going to be putting our cameras. Sorry. I'm going to be I'm going to put it on both of our channels. So I'm going to put Oliver's channel in the description. So like and subscribe to both of our channels now. Let's get to it. It's already stuck. How?
That's simple.
So we chose the woods for you today because I thought it would be a better place to do it to entertain you guys. And we will be we might be pausing from time to time today. So yeah. Just giving you out as a warning. Oh yeah. Oliver, do you want to say anything about your monster truck or anything?
Not really. Muddy trail.
Wrong way, Oliver. And we brought a dog with me. It's gone off again.
When is this supposed to run?
Guys, we just had to swap the battery, so we're changing routes.
Sorry.
Is Oliver saying sorry?
I'm very slow.
So we're gonna go this way. Oh, I wonder if the chairs are still here.
And I wonder if I can go
I
in the
don't think
pond.
they are.
Aim for Coco.
No, Oliver.
No.
Don't. Oliver. Guys, Oliver's being dingbat. Stop. Stop.
I'm faster.
Yeah, because you have new batteries. You had new batteries inserted, Oliver. My battery hasn't run out yet.
Whee!
Don't you even, Coco?
Pond. Pond.
Guys, my dog just went in the pond.
And I just fell.
And there's Oliver saying pond.
No!
Okay.
No! Whee!
Okay, so we're sorry guys. So we're gonna go this way.
I am stuck.
Oliver's stuck.
Pond.
Yeah.
Pond.
Don't go in the pond, Oliver.
Pond.
Oliver's stuck already.
Pond.
So Oliver's having some difficulties. Okay, I think he did it.
R.I.P. controller. Yay! R.I.P.
Why do you keep driving it into bushes, Oliver?
There we go.
Yeah, guys, Oliver's really annoying. As you can probably hear, he's a bit annoying.
Len.
Yeah. Guys, Oliver, why are you driving backwards? Oliver, guys, Oliver might be making like weird sounds or just weird sounds during the video because I gave him a microphone and
Yeah, Mike. Mickey.
I feel like it was the wrong choice.
You feel like you made a mistake. Wait.
Camera person, do you think I made the wrong decision to give Oliver a microphone?
I think we'll have to wait to the end of the video to see about that.
Yeah. So
He done the right choice. Wait.
So yeah, my camera. Stop! My camera person. I'm gonna put the camera person back on the microphone at the end, and then my camera person can say the final decision if it was the right choice or wrong choice to give Oliver a microphone.
I'm coming. Maybe.
Just give me some time to put the microphone back on. Oliver's having some great difficulty, guys.
I'm coming. Oh no,
Oliver, you don't need to shout into the microphone.
I'm coming.
Oliver's really loud.
Ooh, controller.
Do
No,
not.
Ben, I want to see something. If your controller will actually stay in there.
No. Don't kick my controller.
Turned off. Hello.
So we're having some great difficulties. Let's go. Okay, so
No kicking. No.
you're kicking it.
Yeah, because it's mine.
We have some great arguments sometimes, guys. Hear the roar of it. That's what it sounds like when it moves.
I'll show you what mine sounds like when it's moving. Was that a bee? Hopefully it wasn't.
The first, Oliver, say what you were going to say before my camera person stopped.
So I was going to say, do you want to hear what my monster truck sounds like? Okay.
Yes.
That's it going forward. And that's it going backwards.
So that's what it sounds like. We're just going to pause so that we can put Oliver's microphone back on. Guys, sometimes my sometimes my monster truck is out of control, and it is something, and it is like this sometimes. Excuse me.
How dare you! You bad little boy. You should go to detention.
Oliver's being
Meow meow.
Oliver.
I don't like it.
Oliver's being Oliver.
Whee!
Come away! Come away! Ah! Guys, I was running away because Oliver's chasing me. Ah! Go away! Go away! Guys! Ah! Go away! Guys, we're just gonna pause for a second. No, you can't say it because no. So, I hope Oliver won't chase me with his monster truck.
Go through my legs. I feel
Oliver! Yeah. Okay. Go in between your legs.
No, I was supposed to do that and you were supposed to go through.
I'm faster, Oliver.
Yeah, because I don't have speed switch on.
Oh, of course you don't. Of course. Try catch up. Guys, I feel like it's literally a race, but it's not.
I'm
Guys,
coming!
it's taking ages.
I can't see. What smells smoky?
Guys, it literally. I know you can't
Smells
smell it, but it
smoky.
literally smells so bad around here.
Something smells smoky.
Yeah, it smells like a fire or something.
Smoky, smoky! Ooh.
And guys, it's illegal to put a fire up in woodland. So let's hope it's not someone putting fire in the woodland and it's someone like in their house of
Can I
some
say
sort.
something in a minute?
Say it.
Oh, you can go ahead. At the moment. You can. Because the microphone is a long range.
Guys, Oliver is literally wanting me to go so far away from him. I don't know why.
Can I say now?
Sure.
Ben's playing Eva. I said it.
What did you say? You need to say it louder.
Oh, I said something about my monster truck.
Oh.
I did.
And I know it works because in my last monster truck video, it worked. My
In this last one, I was
microphone
not in it.
worked from a
So
long range.
My subs. My subs were very sad when they watched Ben's. It's just vibrating.
Guys, from all my monster truck videos, we can see that it's 100%
Oh, Jesus. It
off
hits
road.
those really hard. Whee!
Here it comes.
I'm coming.
Oh yeah. Guys, I just realised it matches. Some of the colour matches my coat. Guys, Oliver's weird. Go.
Whee! Whee! It needed to do a backflip.
Oh wow. Okay, that means it's... Can you stop ramming it into my shins, please?
Please.
Guys, I've only stopped my monster truck about 5 times, and for the rest of it, it's been going on one battery, which hasn't been charged since it hasn't been charged. Like we didn't charge it after
Ben,
the last woodland video.
Ben,
Yeah.
how do you put it on mute?
Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna help Oliver quickly. For some reason, he wants to put his microphone on mute. I think that's what I've done. I'll just speed it. Oliver, I've tried and it doesn't work. I did a setting. I'm not sure if it works. I'm going to try it back at home. See if it works.
Hey,
but for now,
Can you hear me?
just going to wait for Oliver.
Can you hear me? Huh?
You can only hear it on here. I can't hear it on here. It's only when we close back we hear you.
Oh.
You might over here
Am I stuck?
have my camera person in the background. Um. So yeah,
Do most talking because
the person was speaking to Oliver. If you did hear the person in the background, I'm saying the person because I don't want to identify the gender. I literally just kicked Oliver off the road.
stop.
Guys, so we're stop. Guys, so we're going to
End
we
this.
finish the walk. So I will hopefully record again later or next week. Bye. Bye.
Say it again there. Oliver, say it again.
Oliver.
Maybe bye from me as well.
Oliver, we're going to say bye all together in 3, 2, 1. Bye!